how to enable NSFW content on Discord. So NSFW means not safe for work. So in order to download that, you will have to adjust server settings. So let's get started. Firstly, tap on the your gear icon available right next to your name in the bottom left corner. You can see the gear icon available there. Tap on it. So after that, you will be navigated to the settings, and inside settings, tap on privacy and security option available there. And inside privacy and security, scroll down and you will get to see the option age restricted. Allow access to the age restricted servers on iOS. You get to see that and simply enable it. So after enabling it, you should be able to view and interact with NSFW content on Discord. So guys, it is the same way in iPhone, Mac and Android as well. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.